Hello everyone, my name is Yasir Sharfi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently I joined Microsoft and in this channel I want to share my complete journey, how I prepared, how the interviews were and what actually helped me crack a big tech company coming from a tier 3 college. Before joining Microsoft, I worked in multiple companies across my career. I started my career at Bosch, where I worked for almost 3.7 years. After that I moved to Cisco, where I spent around 2.7 years working on networking and backend systems. Then briefly I joined Dell Technologies, where I worked on distributed storage for about 2.5 months. And finally in December last year, on 15 December, I joined Microsoft. So overall, I have around 6.7 years of experience in the industry. Now, one thing I noticed during my journey is that many engineers want to work in companies like Microsoft, Google, or Amazon, but they're often confused about how to prepare and where to start. There's a lot of information available on the internet, but most of the time it is not structured. Some people say focus only on data structures. Some say system design is the most important. Some say computer science fundamentals are required. But very few people explain how all of these things actually fit together. This is exactly why I started this channel. In this channel, I want to create a structured roadmap for anyone who wants to move into big tech companies, especially for students, engineers with around 2 to 3 years of experience, and even experienced engineers who want to switch to companies like Microsoft. I will mostly focus on 4 major areas. The first one is data structures and algorithm. This is the foundation of most coding interviews. We will talk about how to approach problems, how to think about algorithms, how to practice in the right way. The second area is system design. Once you reach mid-level roles or senior roles, system design becomes extremely important. We will discuss topics like scalability, distributed systems, and how large systems are actually designed. The third area is computer networks. Many backend and infrastructure roles expect strong networking fundamentals. Understanding protocols, communication between systems, and how the internet works is extremely useful. The fourth area is operating systems. Concepts like processes, threads, memory management, and concurrency are very important for understanding how systems behave internally. So in this channel, we will cover all these 4 areas in a structured way. Apart from technical topics, I will also share my interview experiences, my preparation strategy, mistakes I made during preparation, and things I would do differently if I started again. Another reason I started this channel is because many people reached out to me on LinkedIn. Right now I have a small amount of followers, 3,800 something, and many engineers message me asking for guidance about switching to big tech companies. So I have already helped around 20 to 25 people with career guidance and interview preparation. But I realized that instead of explaining things individually every time, it would be much more useful to share everything openly so that more people can benefit from it. And that is the purpose of this channel. I want this channel to be a practical guide for engineers who want to grow in their career. In the upcoming videos, I will also talk about how I prepared while working as a full-time engineer, how long it actually takes to prepare for big tech companies, and what level of preparation is required. So if you are someone who is dreaming of working in companies like Microsoft, Google, or Amazon, then this channel might really help you in that journey. And if you find the content useful, consider subscribing to this channel so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. In the next video, I will be talking about my complete Microsoft interview experience, including how many rounds were there, what kind of questions were asked, and what actually helped me clear the interviews. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.